Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Profits Passport review. It's David Dekel's new system, and I wanted to share with you because you'll be one of the first people to know about it. And you're going to be able to earn anywhere from $25 commissions to $16,500 commissions. And it's perfect if you're brand new because there's zero technical skills that are going to be involved in this. And you'll just be absolutely amazed when I show you how easy it is to set up. You can earn from 5 different income streams. Anything that David Dekel sets up, I think is great because I've made a lot of money with his system, FunnelX ROI. Just a couple examples here. Easy One Up, over $16,000. Funnel Advance, I made a little bit less, obviously, a couple $100. This one here, I made $2,000. Udemy is going to be in the system. But you can see you can make some good money as an affiliate, and you can use, these are all my commissions as an affiliate, you can use all this money to purchase traffic. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, it's the Profits Passport, David Dekel's new system. If you don't know who David Dekel is, he is a very, very successful internet marketer. He's made millions of dollars online. He creates systems and funnels that have different income streams in them, and that's why I was able to make so much money with FunnelX ROIs, because there was a lot of different income streams in there, and that's not even all of them that I showed to you. But the different systems he's created is FunnelX ROI, FunnelX Project, and then this Profits Passport. And the reason why he wanted to create this system was, first of all, he wanted to have a huge push for direct mail payments, because a lot of people have had their merchants accounts shut down, PayPal account, myself included, and so it's just a better way to receive payments is through direct mail. And even with FunnelX ROI, it was step by step, and I thought it was so easy to set up, but there were still people that I referred that got stuck on different steps, like how to set up the autoresponder, and it just took them forever to get it set up, like a whole day or 2 days. So he thought it was too hard for people to set up the autoresponders, and so he wanted a complete done-for-you system where he does all the work, and I'll show you, he literally does all the work, and you earn the commissions. And he also wanted to make it easy so that really all you had to do was activate your account, configure your income streams, and then share your link. So if you already have some of these income streams, or all of them, like I had 4 out of the 5, literally took me less than 5 minutes to set it up. So if you have some of these already, all you need to do is plug in your affiliate ID, and I'll show you here in just a second. First income stream is Easy One Up. So what you're going to do, this opt-in here, I'm just going to put in another email address here so you can see what I mean here, but this is the main opt-in page. You're not going to have any choice as to what funnel you'll use, because he's going to be collecting all the leads for you, and that's the only con with this, is that you're not going to be collecting your own leads, but he's going to do absolutely everything for you. So once you put in your email address, David's going to tell you about the system, and there's going to be a whole page of testimonials here of people that have made a lot of money with Easy One Up and some of the other income streams. So this is going to be really, really high converting, I believe. So I won't scroll all the way down, but after you look at all the testimonials, you're going to get really excited about what is possible with this system. And then right here, there's a webinar that you watch that's an hour, but you want to make sure you watch all of it because it's going to show you exactly how to set this up. But it's super, super easy because it's all just on one page. I know with FunnelX ROI, there was like, you'd go through one page, you'd have to test your link, you go through the next page, and if your link didn't work, then you'd have to go through another workaround, which does take some time, but this is all on one page. So you watch this, and he's actually going to show you how to do it, but the income stream number 1 here is Easy One Up. So literally, all you do is sign up for Easy One Up, pick whatever level of product you want to get, and then you'll put in your affiliate ID right here and save it. That's it. Okay, income stream number 2 is FunnelX Advance, and that's a pay per lead system. This is the one right here. You get paid just by people entering their email addresses. You get paid $1. There's certain criteria that have to be from certain countries, but you can get paid. That one is free to join, but if you want to earn the higher commissions, you want to make sure you upgrade. But Funnel X Advanced is the second one. And again, all you do right here is sign up for your account, and then he shows you how to find your affiliate link. You just plug that in, click on save. That's the second income stream. The third income stream is ROI Panel. Now I have this as well as ClickMagick, and it's a software to track your clicks. So if you buy traffic, you want to make sure you're getting what you paid for. And I like Funnel X ROI a little bit better than ClickMagick right now, because I was having some problems with my links in ClickMagick. But let's see here, ROI Panel. So it's a, like I said, a tracking software, and it's only one-time fee for it, and you can earn up to, let's see, what was it, $748.50 per commission, because this is a 50% commission, but I bought the top level, but you only have to pay for it once. And ClickMagick, you're paying for that monthly. So this one here, it's a lifetime membership, and it's a really, really great tracker. He's always adding extra things to it. So you just sign up, put your affiliate link here, and save. The fourth income stream is Udemy, which is where you can buy solo ads. And you can see that I have made quite a few commissions on Udemy, but the great part about this was in Funnel X ROI, he didn't have this configured into here, so he was earning all the commissions, David Dekel. Here, when you refer someone and they buy traffic, you're going to earn commissions, and you can use that money in there to buy more traffic. So you just put your sign up. This is completely free to sign up. Put your affiliate link in here, click on save. And the last one is, I'm not a part of this one, but it is OPM Wealth, and that uses Bitcoin. I'm not going to explain that or anything, but they do have coaches, and that is the one where you can earn up to $16,500 commissions. So with that, you'll sign up, and also they finance, so you can do it $0 out of pocket, and then you would just put your user ID right here. And then in the webinar, he explains how you get traffic. So you don't have to worry about setting up an autoresponder, sending out emails, or anything like that. And he said that that's where people get caught up. So basically, you're just going to be buying traffic. And of course, you don't have to buy traffic, but that is the quickest way to make sales. I know when I first joined Funnel X ROI, I was given a bonus because I joined at the top level of Easy One Up, and I got like 3 sales from the traffic that was purchased for me as a bonus. So the traffic checklist, you want to look on Udemy to have at least 3 sales in the last 30 to 60 days. He's got some other criteria here, no bad reviews. And then you just click here to get traffic, and you purchase from Udemy. And he even has email ad copy here that you can give to them. 3 different subject lines and email body, and that's it. You have all those income streams configured. Obviously, you don't have to have all of them, but if you don't have them, you're not going to earn money on them. But if you just scroll down right here, here's your link to promote. You don't have to set anything up. Okay, so everything's configured. Once you put your affiliate IDs in for the 5 income streams, you save it, and then all you do is share this link on Udemy and purchase traffic. And I would recommend reinvesting back in at least 20 to 25% of what you make into buying more traffic so you can continue to scale up. But I wanted to share this with you because I think that a lot of people struggle to get things set up, and it takes forever for them to even get it set up. And obviously you're going to need some money to buy traffic, but the income that you can make with the system is really good. I mean, I made a lot of money with Funnel X ROI, and a lot of my commissions came in on autopilot because I do a lot of YouTube marketing, but you can do just as well buying solo ads, and that's basically how David Dekel has made all of his money, and again, he's made millions of dollars. And he scales up once he finds a solo ad provider he does well with, and he buys more clicks from them. So I think this is a great way that you can make money. And the only con that I said to it is that you're not going to be building your email list. So, if you are an experienced marketer, you could do this another way by setting up your own opt-in page and then having a bridge page here. But if you don't want to do any of that, I think it's great for the person who's really doesn't have experience with internet marketing, or you just want an easy way to make commissions. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. But if you want to get started with the Profits Passport, all you got to do is create an account, watch the webinar. I highly recommend that you do that, and you're going to be super excited because, like I said, anything that David Dekel puts out, people make a lot of money. I'm not saying there's any guarantees that you're going to make any money, but anyway, you're going to watch the webinar and then configure your income streams. And then you can see the description below this video for traffic bonuses that I'm offering, depending on which level you come in at Easy One Up. So again, if you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And that's how you would contact me as well after you join to get your bonuses. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this Profits Passport review, David Dekel's new system. And if you want more information on how to make money online, make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.